Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this kitchen over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll slightly just push it a bit inside. So we'll keep some space for creation of this microwave and the coffee maker over here. So let's go into this. Let's take a box over here. Let's create a box. So before that, I can slightly I'll just shuffle this a bit over here. So let's take a box. So convert to editable poly. So select the polygons. Let's push it a bit inside and let's go over here. Let's take a swift loop over here in this way. Again I'll again put one more swift loop over here. And now select the polygons, slightly extrude it a bit out. Let's click OK. Let's activate the auto grid over here. Drag it a bit out. Convert to poly. Let's use a swift loop here and here. Push this a bit down. Drag this a bit up. Again take a cylinder. So I'll take a cylinder over here and put a cylinder over here in this way. So now again I'll go over here and let's take a copy over here. Select the vertices. I'll just drag it till here. So I'll again put one swift loop here and let's select the polygons. So what I'll do is I'll again go over here, slightly shuffle it a bit inside and extrude it a bit over here. So select this, take again a cylinder, activate the auto grid over here. So drag this down, reduce the height segments, convert to poly, select the polygons, bevel it. Alright. Select the vertices, push this down. Again, I'll create a box over here, convert to poly, insert it, extrude it up, or I'll just slightly extrude it down, that would be much better over here. And for the cups, what I can do is I can just take a teapot over here and along the spout and lead, I'll go into this and take a taper over here. So let's take a taper modifier. And let's convert to poly. So I can just resize it and I can just rotate it accordingly. So again, go over here, let's put some loops, select the polygons and slightly give a bit of inset to it. Alright. So let's just save the file once. Over here. Again I'll go over here. So let's create this sitting couch or sitting bar chairs we can say. So let's take a chamfer box. So I can just slightly push this up over here. So let's add some segments if required. Or we can just reduce it. Can give turbo smooth if required. So and if you want to make it more of a roundish, we can go with that as well. So we can just give some fillet segments and let's add a FFD box. Let's slightly, we can make it a bit roundish in this way. So select this, can just push this up in this way. So I'll go into this and let's take a line over here. So I'll just off it and let's go into that and place a line right from here. So just drag a line enable in viewport, make it as radial, convert to poly, increase its size, slightly I can rotate it if required. So let's go into this, go to the top view, let's mirror it. First of all, can just make it straighter. So let's mirror it, copy it in x-axis, drag over here, again mirror it, copy it in y-axis, in this way. So you can give some details over here if required. So I can just convert to poly. So let's add some swift loop, select the polygons, give some extrusion by local normal in this way. So mirror it, copy it. So mirror it in x-axis, mirror it in y-axis. Alright. So we can just take a line over here and we can just create such kind of shape. Make it as rectangular and reduce its size. So that stuff can be changed. So there are multiple ways, either we can create it with this or we can go with plain as well or box. So there would be multiple ways to create this. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.